To be successful on your real estate licensing exam, it's going to be important to know the different type of exam question styles that will be used. Here I want to describe the Acronyms Galore style. As always, remember to read your questions and answers very carefully, and always remember it's my job to help you pass your exams. In this type of question, they'll actually flood the zone with acronyms. So they're great to study those when you go through your material. Here's a simple example. Which two documents does TRID require to be given to buyers and sellers prior to closing? And they'll flood the answer zone with acronyms. Take a look at those. Well, obviously, to answer this question, you'll need to know what TRID is. Remember from your studies, TRID is TILA and RESPA integrated disclosure. TILA, Truth in Lending. RESPA was the Real Estate Settlement and Procedures Act. So you need to know what that acronym means to start with, and then you need to fight your way through all of the acronyms in the answers. Correct answer here is LE and CD. Answer B, LE is the loan estimate. That's part of TILA, Truth in Lending Act. CD is the closing disclosure. That's the list of debits and credits that's given to each buyer and seller at closing. So you need to know those to answer the question correctly, but then you'll also need to understand the other acronyms so you know if they're not part of the correct answer. LTV, loan to value, down payment. OPM was other people's money. That has to do with trust accounts. PTM, price, terms, and motivation. Those are things that have to be kept confidential when you meet a client. And then you have CMA and BPO, competitive market analysis, and a broker's price opinion. So the lesson here is clear. Study and understand your acronyms so you know when they apply and when they don't. Well, if you found that information helpful, be sure and visit